Stand with your feet shoulder width apart while engaging your core and glutes to stabilize the low back. Hold a PVC pipe or a similar lightweight stick in front of you at hip height using a grip that's comfortably wider than your shoulders. Slowly lift the stick over your head, keeping your arms straight and continue moving it behind you. The goal is to bring the stick as far down towards your glutes as your shoulder mobility allows without excessively bending your elbows or arching your back. Once you've reached the limit of your mobility or the stick is just above your glutes, pause for a moment and feel the stretch in your shoulders. Carefully reverse the movement, bringing the stick back over your head and down to the starting position at hip height. Adjust your grip width as needed. The wider your hands are on the stick, the easier it will be to perform the movement without compromising your form. To increase the intensity and improve your mobility even further, gradually narrow your grip as you become more comfortable with the exercise. Shoulder dislocates are a highly effective mobility exercise for the shoulders, beneficial for individuals looking to increase their range of motion, reduce stiffness, and improve overall shoulder health. Regular practice can lead to enhanced mobility, making it easier to perform overhead movements and reducing the risk of shoulder injuries. This exercise is particularly useful for athletes, weightlifters, and anyone experiencing shoulder tightness or discomfort. As always, don't push past any pain and remember to breathe.